Hello viewers, good afternoon. You're highly welcome to my channel. This is First House Celeb Builders Limited. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. As you can see, this is a building construction. We are here to do a precast parapet on this building. We are live in mainland Lagos, Nigeria. You can see the parapet beam is in progress. Parapet beam is in progress, and also the production of the cassette parapet is in progress. You can also contact us for your project. It doesn't matter whether you're in Nigeria or not. We do a perfect and a reliable job. We give the best, and our finishing is our voice. It doesn't matter whether you're in Nigeria or not. Distance is not a barrier. We travel to different states. You can contact us for your precast parapet, your window hood design, your pillar designs, your fence and copy design, your POP ceiling, and we will never disappoint you. Please follow me. Let me show you the inner view. Yes, as you can see now, this is the beam. This is the beam that is going to carry the parapet. You can see work is in progress. We do a perfect and a reliable job. This is the production of the precast parapet. See, it's a nice design. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and also comment.